Back in the Wix editor, a blog will have now been added to your website. If you open the pages menu, you will see a blog page has been added here as well as to your site menu. By using the Wix blog menu to open the Wix blog app, click on page menu and select blog. You should now see your new blog displayed in the Wix editor. Click on any elements on the blog and the number of buttons will appear. Select the setting button and the Wix blog menu will then be displayed. The menu on the left hand side contains options enabling you to choose a layout for your blog homepage and your individual blog pages. You can edit categories, alter designs, elements, and activate settings like membership, sign up, and blog contributions accesses. Under Add One, you can also create a members page, allowing your visitors to view and sketch other members' profiles. Creating a blog post. There are two ways to create a blog post, either within the Wix editor or on the live side of your website. Wix recommends writing and editing posts as well as managing comments from the live side of your website. To do so, you will need to first publish your site by clicking on the button in the top right hand corner of the Wix editor. Next, open your site on the live site and log in using your Wix account details. On your blog page, select create a post. Here you can give your articles or titles, write the text, upload your own images, or add a video from YouTube or Vimeo. You can then select categories for your post before publishing it. On the live site, you can also click on to previously published posts to edit them, delete them, features them on your homepage, and more. To create a blog post within the Wix editor, in the Wix blog menu, select men create a post. This will open the post manager, which uses the same layout as the post editor on the live site. You can also edit your post in the Wix editor in a similar way as on the live site. Simply click on manage post in the Wix blog menu. As you can see, the Wix blog app is extremely easy to use and allows you to create attractive and eye-catching articles. It also focuses on creating an engaged audience, helping you to build a successful blog with a large following. Exploring the Wix app market, the number of ads Wix app market displays can be daunting. So to get started, check out the ads for blogs category. Here you will find a variety of apps perfect for growing your blog and its following. Here are a couple of must-haves. Social media icons link your blog to your social channels to grow your social media fan base. Social stream display your best social media posts on your blogs to promote your social media channels and gain social followers. Wix get subscribes display as sign up from to grow your mailing list. Wix video everything you need to showcase your videos and become a successful vlogger. Visitor analyst check your blog performance and view stats to give you an insight into your audience and what content they respond to. Once you have installed and got to grip with your chosen blogging app, then you can begin to explore what the other apps from different categories have to offer using Wix Shoutout. Wix Shoutout is a complete email marketing tool that enables you to send out beautiful and attention grabbing emails and social media message promoting your website although this service start for free. If you want to send out more than 3 messages a month, you will need to upgrade to one of the premium plan.